Hi, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be applying henna and indigo on my hair. I got little grays, but I don't want to use wax color. Use something natural, as ChatGPT said. Use henna and indigo today. By the way, I'm not keeping it overnight. Everything I'm gonna do is instant, and let's see how the results turn out to be. Time to apply, but first let me go and change. So we will be adding 2 big spoons of henna powder, this curd, 1 egg, and aloe vera, which I have blended together. I'll add a little bit of this, and I'll keep this for the indigo powder as well. And then I'll add a little bit of tea, and then we will mix. Our henna paste is ready. So we will start applying this. So I've applied the henna all over my hair, and I used my hands in the end because the brush was not working, so I just used my hands. My hands are stained a little bit, but I think after washing my hair, this is gonna be fine. Now I need to put the shower cap, but I don't want to ruin it, so better I cover it with a plastic. Just let me wipe off those extras. Anyways, I've applied Vaseline all over my face, so not an issue. And okay, I'll keep it for 2 hours, and then I'll wash it with normal water. So it's been 2 hours now, and I'll just wash it and I'll be back. So now my hair is 100% dry, and you can see that my white hair has a red tint to it now. And now it's time to apply the indigo. Weird smell. I just asked ChatGPT, should I add curd, aloe vera? So then ChatGPT told me that it's better you use indigo with plain water. It works the best. So I'll be just adding plain water to it. I have taken spoon indigo powder, and I'll add little bit water to it. Let's mix it. So the paste is ready, and now let's apply it. So I had applied indigo all over my hair. I used my hands for the ends. And now we'll keep it for half an hour, and then we'll wash it. And today it's just normal with water I'm gonna wash. And tomorrow again, oh, by the way, today night I have to apply coconut or some hair oil. And then tomorrow we need to shampoo our hair. Stay tuned. So I have washed my hair with normal water, and I see the red tone has muted a bit. My hair feels very easy and dry, and it's still not over. Tomorrow I'm supposed to, like today night I'm supposed to apply oil and sleep. Tomorrow again I'll do shampoo. Hi, good morning. Today is day 2, and I have applied oil in my hair, and I slept overnight. And now it's time to shampoo your hair and see whether this worked or not. But I must tell you, you should not try this if you had sinus or cold cough related problems. Yesterday night I had a very bad headache, and I think it was because henna itself is anyways cold. I applied henna, then washed my hair, dried, again washed my hair, then dried, and in one day it became a lot. And again today I have to shampoo. So it's a lot, and it really triggered a very bad headache. Even now I can feel I still have slight headache, so better please don't use it if you have cold and cough or sinus related problem. Now you'll ask, then what should we do? I'm not a doctor, just letting you know my experience. This is what I experienced. I don't want you to experience the same. So it's just an information that I share with you. But yeah, now it's time to shampoo. and then let's see the final result. Okay, meet you after that. Finally, my hair has dried. This is how my hair looks now. Let me show you in sunlight. This is how my hair looks in sunlight. The brown tone has muted a lot. Hair looks better, and the whites are also not very prominently visible.